guys, so I know that the last studio vlog I took some product photos, but I did not end up liking them because my fingernails were very badly painted, specifically my thumb, which was in a lot of the shots. So I think today I'm going to retake those photos, and I thought I would take you along on the process. Today is a beautiful, stormy, cloudy day. That's my coffee table. I always put it on the couch because when I do Pilates, it's in my way. So I just leave it there because I'm lazy. But I always like to take my pictures on this coffee table, so I'm gonna put it back on the ground. So I like to have a light source from both sides. So I have the curtains open over there, and I'm gonna open up these blinds. We have awful lights in this house, but I'm gonna turn on this light. I could use any help I can get. All right, here's my camera that I'm gonna use for the product photos. I'm going to lower it down on the tripod so that it's pretty even with the coffee table. I think somebody wants to go on a walk. These are all of my stickers I'm going to be taking photos of today. I'm just gathering some things to use for the background of the pictures. So fairy lights are a must because they're so cute. And then I have a couple of plants I'm also going to have. I have to put my hair up because it is always in my way. All right, so I've got some crystal towers, some amethyst. I got this cute little bottle. I thought that would be cute decoration. And then I have one of my plants. So let's set it all up. All right, here is the final setup. So for each sticker, I'll take a picture of me just holding it like this. I'll do another picture from the camera going from the top down, so it's just on the wood. And then I'll usually do another one where it's kind of shining in the sun so that people can tell that it has a glossy coat on it. This has happened so many times, way more times than I want to admit, but sometimes I'll take some pictures of a sticker, multiple pictures, and then when I'm editing, I realize that there's a hair on the sticker. So always make sure that you check, especially if you have cats like me. I always need to make sure that there's no hair on the sticker. Also, this sticker in particular has like a weird little thing at the top. That's something else that makes sure the sticker looks perfect. Don't take pictures of an ugly sticker. This is one of my new stickers that I just made this morning. It's so cute. Here it is. Honestly, taking these pictures is exhausting to me. It just takes so long. But you know what takes longer than taking the photos? Editing the photos. So you're probably wondering, what the heck is this? Well, this is a little perfume roller. And the reason I have this is because one of my favorite pictures to take is where you kind of scatter around the stickers underneath it, and then you put the sticker on top of your little circular thing. I know some people use like glue sticks, but I don't have a glue stick, so that's why I use this. Anyway, and then I'll show you what it looks like from the top. So then it looks like this, and then obviously when you crop the photo into a square, you have the main focus right here, and then the little piggies underneath, and I think it just looks really good. From the side, you think, what in the world is she doing? I'm gonna take some pictures of my sticker sheets as well. I have this one, it's Anne of Green Gables. I have this self-love one, camping trip and let's travel. I already have pictures of these up on my website, but I want to redo them so that when I do the spring restock, all of the product pictures match each other. Alright, well I finished all of my product photos, so now I need to go put them all on my computer and start editing. And I will show you all the final products. So I just edit my pictures using the built-in editing system on my computer. And usually what I'll do is I'll straighten it. I always make it square. And then I usually adjust the brightness and I always put up the color. And that's it. Here are some of my final pictures. And these are the ones I did with the little perfume roller. So I'm all finished with my product photos for the day. Now I just need to make all of the listings, but I'll be doing that another day because that does take a huge chunk of time. I'm very happy with the end photos, and let me know in the comments what you think.